Hello travellers, so today I want to do a really quick update for November just to let you know what's going on. And yes, I'm sorry there haven't been many updates until now. In Sydney we were actually in lockdown and we couldn't leave our house unless it was one person to do essential shopping for the last like 3.5 months. But now finally we are starting to open up again and international travel is back on the table. And so I've got a lot of things that I've not been able to review because I haven't really been able to test them fully for the channel. That includes several of the previous backpacks that I've reviewed or did a hands-on with. I do have a couple of new interesting things as well. So often when I review something like a light or a flashlight or something, several companies contact me and offer similar products to review. So one of those reviews which is coming up next is this one here. Did a hands-on with this one. This is the Nightcore Nu07le. It's kind of like law enforcement, or even just like a beacon to help you be seen at night time. The setting here, if you press and hold, so it has a feature where it has a red flashing light, and because it's got Velcro on the back here, you could attach that to a backpack like the backpack from Nitecore that I reviewed, and then that could be like a bicycle rear light. It does also have several other colors, so I'll just quickly cycle through those for you. Green, flashing orange, flashing white, and blue, and flashing blue. And then like a sort of a police mode. Yeah, so it is quite handy and it's very small, charges with USB-C. And so yeah, I'll be doing sort of a quick hands-on with that and showing how you can attach it to things with the Velcro. So another interesting LED light product that I'll be reviewing is this here from Olight. This is the Olight Pen Pro. So it has this interesting bar here, and it's a regular pen like that, but then when you push this bar upwards you get a laser pointer on the tip, and when you push that bar up one time it's got a hidden LED on the actual clip, so you could put this in your front pocket and the light would shine forward, and it has a couple of different brightness levels. So I thought that was a really interesting pen. It comes in a really nice box, so it would be a great gift. I'm just going to unscrew it here and show you that it also charges with USB-C, which is one of the smallest ports that I've seen to put on there. It's a really interesting design, and it does come with a spare pen ink as well, so really cool product. That will be the next review coming as well. Now I have two more Nitecore products. These two will probably be the last Nitecore products that I'll review for a little bit, because I don't want to flood the channel with so many of the same brand. But these two Nitecore products actually came from Banggood, the online shopping store, and the other Nitecore products did come from Nitecore themselves. So yeah, I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but this here is the Nu25, and that is a small headlamp which has a secondary white light and a secondary red LED, and that's really small and compact, so I'm going to be looking forward to showing that one very shortly. And the final Nitecore product is this here, which I thought is a really interesting thing. It's called the Tiki UV light, and as the name would suggest, this is a powerful 1000 MW UV light, and so you can shine that on surfaces or banknotes, and I feel like if you put that on your keychain and when you're traveling, just shine that onto like banknotes and stuff, and it will show you whether they have like a security seal on them and stuff like that. I feel like it's good for kind of money security, first and foremost as a travel thing, But also, you know, you can shine that in bathrooms and see how clean or not clean they are. And in hotel rooms, you'll be able to see how clean or dirty they are by shining this in the bathroom. It does also have an auxiliary white light. It has actually 2 auxiliary white lights. And so that's pretty bright. You can use that as, you know, like a keychain light, just to sort of see your keys or light up a little bit of a path at night. Yeah, so that's low, double brightness, and then flashing, and then you turn it off. So I think that's a really interesting thing to have, and it's so small and compact, and it's waterproof, and just a really great thing to have in your pocket for traveling, or even just to throw in your bag. Now, speaking of useful things to have while traveling, you know, I did several videos on washing with a dry bag, and also I use my dry bag to store my toiletries and towels, like mini towels and stuff like that, while I'm traveling. I feel like that is quite a nice size, and it doubles as a, you know, kind of a portable laundry. I have known about this company for a while, and some of you in the comments have asked me, or said, why don't you just use this one? And that is the Scrubba. And they make, it's basically a dry bag, but it's a little bit thicker, and it has a valve on it, and it has little rubber nodules, and that helps you to sort of agitate the laundry more as you're washing it, and the valve helps you to release the air to get more of the water through the clothing. The reason why I hadn't previously kind of got one for myself or contact the company was because the weight of the original bag is really heavy. It's like 3 or 4 times the weight of a normal dry bag. Like this dry bag on its own, which is 4 liters, it's only like 50 grams or 40 grams. And the original Scrubba, which is bigger than this one, this is a mini one. The original one is like 170 grams or something like that. But yeah, they've come out with this one here, which is the mini. And so I think it's roughly similar size. It's about 3 or 4, or just under 4 liters. So very similar to the one that I'm using now. But it has a few more features. So it has the nodules and it has a valve. Also, this one is 70 grams. So it is still probably twice the weight of a regular dry bag. But the material is thicker, and if it is that much better, then I would be able to recommend this as you know, an option to replace the dry bag method. Also, this would be able to double as a laundry or toiletry bag, as I use with this one. So I'll be reviewing that one very shortly as well. So that's pretty much it, just a look at a couple of the reviews that I have upcoming. Do let me know which one of those reviews you're looking forward to, or if you have any suggestions for other reviews you'd like to see me check out. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.